Let's try these chisels out. This is some black walnut. Let's start with this one. Let's see, just shave the edge off here. Pretty easy, light, very light. Alright, just a little bit of tear out. Let's try the cross grain here. Oh my gosh, just whispers right through there. Like butter. Holy smokes, alright. Let's try the next one here. Woohoo, it's even easier because it's smaller. Jeez. So light. Alright, before I get too carried away there, here's a little paring chisel. Let's see the edge, the end grain here. Whoop, keeps slipping off because it's so tiny. No one just wants to dig in. Alright, I'm going to get carried away. Let's try this V-groove, V-gouge. Oh, did you guys see that little tiny curl? Put a little more pressure, see what happens. Oh my gosh. I could do that all day. Alright, let's try the round gouge here. Oh my gosh. That one might need a little more work on the blade, but I'm pretty happy with it. Walnut's not the hardest wood, but it's not the softest either. This is cutting right through it, so all in all, I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. Very nice.